All right, let me catch up to you guys a little bit here. So this one, let's see, what's A? What point is that?
-4, -5.
Yeah, -4,
-5.
-5. Oh, you can't see this. There you go. Is that cool? Okay. What about point B?
-3.
It's -3,
2.
2. What about C?
4, 0.
Yeah, go over 4 and then not up and down at all. And then D?
-1.
-1,
3.
3. Everybody okay so far? And then E?
2. -3.
2. -3. Big ass. So this problem is just the opposite of that, just plotting points. So where's 0, 2? Okay, just go up 2. Don't go left and right at all. Go up 2. Bam. Then you put a little A next to it. So in the homework, when they give you problems like this, don't just put a bunch of label on them. You know, make it easy on the guy grading your stuff. Where's this point at? Where do I go?
4 down.
3. Back. 5.
Up.
Up. That's point B. What about this one? Back 2. Down 3. What about D? Back 4. And then down, none at all. Cool. And then what about E? Up, right 1.
You forgot to label it.
Down 3. All right, so that would be E. Don't connect those points with any lines because they're not on a line. They're separate points. Now look at number 3. We haven't talked about number 3 yet, but this is sort of like the reverse of what we did here. So up here, I had a bunch of points that had a pattern, and we can write the pattern down in the form of an equation. What really is an equation? A relationship between things. So I can see the relationship. I can see it in English, and then I can write it in Mathish. Bam. That's the reverse. That gives me a relationship and then wants me to fill in the missing piece. So what kind of problem is this really? It's just a substitution problem. On the first row, what do I substitute?
Plug the 2 in for
Plug a
X.
2 in for X. And then it's asking me, the hell's Y? So if I rewrite this for this first row, put a 1 next to this. I'll put 2 times
2
2
minus Y.
minus Y equals 3. 4 minus Y equals 3.
Subtract 4.
Subtract 4. Subtract 4. Negative Y equals -1. Y is 1. So put a 1 right there. So now I know 1 point. So whenever you create points from an equation, there will be a pattern visually. Now this is obviously just going to be a straight line, but if I had some squares and cubes in there, I get this neat kind of curvy shit, right? So we'll get the curves later, but right now it's just going to be a straight line. What about this one? What am I going to do with this row?
Plug 3 in for Y.
Yeah, plug in 3 for Y. So 2x minus 3 equals 3.
Add 3.
Add 3.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2, I get x is 3. Neat. Or, you know, not. It goes through 3, 3. And then you just keep going. How's everybody doing so far? If you guys are cool with that one, you're cool with anything I put in there. Because now what are you going to do for the third one?
Plug in
Replace
-1.
x with -1. -2 minus y equals 3.
Add 2.
Add 2. -y equals 5.
Divide by negative y.
Divided by negative 1, y equals negative 5. And maybe we just, oh yeah, sorry.
For the first one, wouldn't you add 4 on both sides? Why would you subtract 4 on both sides?
Because if I add 4, I get 8. I want the 4 to go away.
No.
So I am subtracting y, but I'm actually adding 4 because it's positive 4. Yeah, I could rewrite that as negative y plus 4. So I want that thing to go away. And then the fourth one, maybe we can just look at it. If I make x 0, I would just divide by negative 1. I should get negative 3. So then you plot the points. 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3. Negative 1, negative 5, negative 1, negative 5. 0, negative 3. And don't those show up right on a straight line? Right? You could invest in a little bit of a ruler or something, or just use some paper. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. There we go. A little bit scrabbly down there, but oh well. Okay. That might is enough for today. What do you guys think? Number 4 is basically the same thing, except now I let you pick your own. And number 5 is sort of like what we were talking about earlier about thinking a smart scale. So we'll finish that one up after the quiz tomorrow.
Yeah, so